In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download WhatsApp on your Windows computer. Now to get started, go and look for the Microsoft App Store or Microsoft Store, which is here, and then open it. So from here, sign up with your Google account or any other email. Once you're here, go and look for the apps option, which is here, to see the apps that are available on Microsoft Store. Now, when you explore down here, you can see a number of apps that are available on Microsoft Store. And to find your app, all you need to do is to search for the app here. For instance, we want to search for WhatsApp. And here is our app. So just open it. And indeed, it is from WhatsApp. Now to install it, all you need to do is to tap on install. You can see the install function is here. Just click on it and the installation process will start. And the installation is complete. Yes, the app has been installed. Now let's go ahead and open it. So here, click on Get Started, and we shall have to scan the QR code with our phone to link our WhatsApp from the phone or from the mobile to this. So I'll go ahead and scan the link, and here we go. It will therefore go ahead and download all my recent conversations, all my conversation from the mobile to this. And as you can see here, it has just done exactly that. So here now our WhatsApp is on our desktop. However, we don't have a shortcut for the WhatsApp here. So to get the shortcut, we have to go ahead and look for the WhatsApp, which is this. And this one, we can pin it to start menu so that we can easily access it from the start menu. And now it is here. So I have added WhatsApp to start menu. So each time I want to use WhatsApp, I can just go to the start menu and click on it, and it will automatically open. And as you can see here, this is our WhatsApp for Windows. So if you have ever wanted to add WhatsApp on your desktop, you can use the above steps and it will be added to your desktop. And now each time you want to access your WhatsApp, you can easily go to your start menu and then just click on it and you're good to go. So if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.